Welcome guys to the Hardware Set Info channel. In front of me is OPPO A60 and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. Alright, so to turn on flashlight all you have to do is swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and right here you have to find our flashlight. As you can see, for me flashlight is right here. And we just have to click on this icon, and now as you can see we have flashlight turned on. And that's how you switch on your flashlight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks, bye!